Hi guys, my name is Dennis from the First Fret Lessons. A lot of guitarists like to play blues in a minor pentatonic and it's awesome, but today I'll show you how to add a little sweetness, with a major pentatonic. And this example is inspired by B.B. King and Peter Green, the great guitar players. And as I said, today I will show you how to play this kind of licks. So subscribe to us, hit the like button, and okay, let's go. So here is a 8-bar blues in key of A. Here is our first lick. It sounds pretty melodic, and we play here 5th and 7th fret on the B with a hammer on, 5th fret on high E, and then bend from 7th fret to 9th. And then you jump into this 5th fret on the B string. Sounds pretty nice. And don't forget to do vibrato on this note. And you can play it with rake. And try to watch on dynamic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You play this note with bend, and the last note with accents. In the next lick we combine our A minor pentatonic with A major pentatonic, and it sounds like this. We play here 8th and 5th fret on B string, and 7th and 6th on the G, and 7th fret on the D. And this note on the 7th fret, this is note from the, full 7th note major scale. You should accent this 8th fret on your B string, and this sounds nice because you accent your minor pentatonic, and you play your other notes not so loud. Sounds like this. Okay, then we have to play something on our D chord, and as B.B. King and Peter Green, we are gonna play minor pentatonic here, but we're gonna start with this couple of notes. Here is our F sharp from the major pentatonic of key of A, and I play it with slide, then I play 10th fret on the B, and I play it pretty short, bend from our 12th to 15th. This is pretty wide 1.5 step bend. Then we bring it down, then we play this 9th fret on high E with little vibrato. Then we do this micro bend on 13th fret on the B, twice at 10th fret on B, and then we play short 11th fret on the G. And of course you should play this note with vibrato too. And all these things we are doing in our third box of A minor pentatonic. And when we jump in a box, it's called BB King box, you know. It looks like this. And we play minor side of this box. It sounds like this. We're gonna start it with our 10th fret, 13th fret with microbend, and short 10th fret on high E string. And then we play this half step bend from 12th to 13th. Then we bring it down, 10th fret, 12th fret again, 11th, 12th on the G, and 10th fret again. It sounds pretty minor. And then we play in major again, and we're gonna play 11th, 9th, 12th on D, 11th on D, and the root note 12th fret on A string. And this makes a nice contrast with minor and major pentatonic. Then we play 17th fret on high E string with vibrato, and try to play it with rake. Just mute your strings with your left hand fingers. Play it with your ring finger or your pinky or something like that. And then we back into our BB King box and play these notes: 11th on the G, 10 on the B. Then we lift our bend to 14th fret, and this is not for our A major pentatonic. And we play, and then we bring it down to 12th fret of our high E string, and this is nice licks from BB King. And next lick, and try to play it softly, except this first note. 10th fret of the B, 11th fret on the G, and you should lift this bend really slowly from our 12th to 13th of the B. And when we play 12 on the high and twice 10 of the B, we accent this note, and please, and play this with vibrato too. So and at the end we slide from 11th to 9th on the G. And here is our E note. And we play it to E7 chord. And here is the end of our short but nice solo. I hope you can apply these licks in your improvisation. So, see you next time. Goodbye.